Hello, my name is Joe Vogelgesang. I'm a campus safety officer here at Collegium Charter School. A typical day for me at Collegium, when I first get here, I check the perimeters, then I do walkthrough of all the buildings. I check on all of our safety equipment and devices we have. I respond to calls for service or emergencies that happen around campus. Towards the end of the day, I assist with traffic control, and I secure the facilities at the end of the day. My favorite part about working at Collegium is working with the great faculty and staff here. Everybody's really friendly and helpful. In my free time, I like to take pictures. I like photography. I like to read books about history. The last book that I read is The Cop Who Would Be King. Hold on. Hello. My favorite part about working in Collegium is the great faculty and staff I get to work with. Gotta do it again.